What is going on, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today, excited to show you this 2008 Cadillac Escalade that we just picked up. We bought it from the previous owner. A very, very well taken care of and serviced vehicle. It is from here, southeastern Virginia, northeastern North Carolina, I believe. So no rust underneath of it that you see from these vehicles coming from up north. The truck runs and drives great. Just put a brand new set of tires on it, as you can see here. I don't think they have 3 miles on them. It's got the beautiful 22-inch Cadillac chrome wheels on it. And this one is fully loaded. It has, I believe, just about every option that they came with. As you can see in the back here, the tow package, the backup proximity sensors. It does have the backup camera. And then, of course, the optional power folding running boards. Of course, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, and then you have the power folding exterior mirrors. The power, or not power, but the memory driver seat settings there. And then if you look inside here, the mats, carpets, everything in really good shape on it. The driver's seat, you know, very, very well taken care of. And in great shape, not torn or super worn out. And then you see the TV, DVD there, the power sunroof. We'll hop inside here. This is a 2008. It does have 174,302 miles on it. But again, serviced and very, very well taken care of. Again, as you can see on the inside here, the console in great shape. These are usually worn out here. And your cup holders and a little tray there with a power input. But adjustable pedals, as you can see here. It is dual climate control for driver and passenger side, and then it also has the rear climate controls. The typical dash has a couple cracks in it over there on that far side, and then right here. And that happens in every single Escalade, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, you name it. Very, very common thing for us to see here, and that is pretty much my biggest apology on this vehicle. Back seat, dual captain's chairs, again in great shape. And then this has its separate rear stereo controls with rear heated seats as well. And then the captain's chairs, they are power folding. There's a button back here which allows for easy access into that third row there. Which of course those seats are collapsible and removable as well. And then power lift gate. You got the button there. It also has it on the remote and then on the upper console. And then you got these levers here that tilt the seat down, fold it up, and then pull it out if you need that much cargo space. And the two separate seats make that a little bit easier because it's not so bulky and heavy. But a beautiful truck, as you can hear. The exhaust, it runs great. Perfectly smooth. We just did a fresh service on it. A brand new Virginia State inspection sticker. And she's ready to go. So come check it out today. 3203 Victory Boulevard, Portsmouth, Virginia. That's Holiday Motors. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. We've got a ton of great financing options available. Warranty is included, even with 184,000 miles on it, but just because that's how confident I feel about it. And top dollar for your trade. We can help arrange for shipping and delivery if needed as well. So let us know today what we can do to earn your business. Appreciate you watching as always, and look forward to hearing from you.